This is Pillow Fights episode 2, and well,
strike 3, you're out.
yeah, right. Yeah. Don't use the sword pillow. Don't use the sword pillow.
Okay.
It's not allowed. You're supposed to use a pillow, okay?
Oh.
Get your pillow. Really, you just want to sit there. I feel like you can get an upgrade.
No. You're standing on upgrade. Pause. Pause. Where's the pause?
Okay.
Pause. God. Pause. Wait, I need to rest. I need to sleep. I need a nap. No. Anti-claws in the Santa paws. Anti-paws. Oh yeah. No. I won.
No, you didn't.
How do you win then?
Your person's pillow is supposed to drop on the ground.
You did. I picked it up.
Oh, okay.
Okay. He loses.
He won.
You want me?
Episode, yeah, this is episode 2.
Give me $30 million.
Come on.
Oh, what? No.
Those things are weird.
My $30 million.
Yeah. It's really weird. Okay, bye.
Bye.